Alright, today we're going to do a demonstration of the Okamoto 20x40DX 3-axis automatic surface grinder. The grinding wheel size is 12 inches by up to 2 inches in width. The operator's control panel is located over here. You're turning on your hydraulics, your grinding wheel, your coolant, dust collector if you have it. You wrap it up and down, your incremental down feed, manual, and then your selection of plunge grinding, slot grinding, or traverse grinding. Basically this starts your functions of the machine. This is controlling the down feed or the vertical. This is dealing with your cross feed, as well as some changeover points from a coarse down feed to a fine down feed. There's 2 feeds on the machine, and there's a changeover point which is set with one of these switches here. You have your chuck controller. You have a readout here to show you to put your program in. And let's see, we can put the machine in the hand mode or the rapid, and then we have a rapid movement of the wheel slide up and down. Okay, for rapid positioning, your readout here can be reset to 0. You also have a manual pulse generator. In the 10x mode, you're moving 1/1000ths each click. And the finest mode, you're moving 10 millionths each click. 10 millionths. And reset them. Okay, so the machine itself, we have hydraulics are currently running. We want to start the table. You have a table start button here. And our table starts to move. I'll take this, a couple of splash guards here. I can take off. We've got the cross slide also moving. Below the hand wheels here, at the front of the machine, you have the controls. This gives you the amount of your step. This gives you the speed of your table. And this puts it in incremental step or continuous feed of the cross slide. This is your cross feed hand wheel, which is disengaged when we're in automatic. And this is your longitudinal table. You also have a dresser mounted above the wheel that when you operate this lever below here, this dresser will feed out. And when we go the other way, it feeds in and automatically advances the diamond for your next dress. Show you that one more time. Got it going kind of fast here, and you come back across the wheel and it automatically feeds down for your next dress. And that's adjustable. That's the machine working automatically. You can stop this cross feed. And you can work this by hand, and it's like butter for a machine this big to be able just to whip this cross slide in and out by hand. Automatic, you have to pull that out and then give it a direction, and then we start going again. Speed of the table. Wanted to do a quick cycle. The fastest thing I can show you would be a plunge grind, where we're going to increment or feed down on both sides of the part. So I go here in my stock removal setting, and let's say I just want to put in 10 thousandths. And I have my dial set here so that I will feed, my coarse feed will be 1/1000, and my fine feed will be 1/10, and I'm going to change from the coarse to fine when I'm 1/1000 away from final size. So just to start this, you go into the automatic, and you'll see the first reversal we go to 9, then 8, right down to 1/1000 before final size, which would be the 0, and then it'll start feeding in tenths. And you can put in any values you want. I'm just putting in, even numbers that are quick. Now we're going to jump to the tenths for the fine feed. When it gets to 0, it'll do a number of spark out passes, however many you select here, 1 through 5, and it'll go back and forth 1 or 5 times without down feeding, just sparking out. So now we're reaching 0. Now we're going to go into spark out. We should only do 1 there and back, and then it will come to a rest. It'll park itself. And that's the end of the cycle.